Hi traders, today is 22nd of July 2019. So we are now live for day trade WTI Crude Oil Market, futures market. So in this day trade, I will show you how I did scalping for US session. So we will have every day one or two signal for entry. And with this scalping, we are expected to have around a profit 200 to 400 US dollar. Okay, as for now, there is one signal up here. So as you can see from my screen, so I have Q buy positions. So it will be a quick one. Sorry. So I'm expecting to exit at 56.45. So I'm expecting a reversal for this market. Okay, let's take a look on the volume. So there's one volume appear to be on the higher side, which is 56.40. So I will exit at 56.45. So other than that, there is no large volume up here. So far we see here and here is the peak of the volume at this moment. So we'll see whether this this buy signal will trigger for a quick profit. So I'm expecting for the market to have a very quick uh, profit of around maybe within 15 minutes time once they trigger for entry. So at this moment we are 5 minutes after 10 New York time in the morning. Okay, we're still waiting. At this moment market looks quite slow, not much volatility, and I'm still expecting for buy position at this moment. So now 7 minutes already. So we're expecting for the breakout at 56.35 to the upwards position. So since there's a large sell down during London session, so once the US session begins, so could be a reversal, could be. So we'll see whether the market can push us minor pullback or major pullback. So we'll see later on. So I will not stay in the market for long. This is only a scalping for US session, so target for daily salary around 200 to 400 US dollar. So market still not yet trigger, still far. So let's take a look on the volume. Okay, there is a high volume here at 56.00. This is quite a normal typical price level, so I will ignore this one. And there is no, oh, there's a 400 at 55.80. So this is very interesting, which is 55.80. Got very large volume waiting. Yeah, you can see here 400 plus. It's quite huge. The candle still red. It's quite important to see a reversal sign. Okay, let's wait. We still have time. We just started tonight. Okay, there is a high volume detected at 56.10. Yeah, you can see here 192. Also on the lower side still remain 56.00. Okay, this is interesting. 55.91 there. There's a high volume here. I'm not sure why this. Okay, this is very high. 500 waiting at 55.80, which is here somewhere here. You can see this very high bar chart of the volume here. So I'm expecting to buy at this moment, but the larger volume waiting on the downside. Could be should I sell, but at this moment only one signal appeared, and the signal is a buy signal at a 56.35. So we are about 25 ticks indifferent at this point to the current market price. So need to wait maybe for next 30 minutes. Hopefully this signal will be triggered. Okay, we give some time. So I will pause this video because we are now live. Still live, I will not record it just to make sure that the video will not be very long. So by the way, if you are watching this video now, this is live trade for WTI crude oil futures market. This is a day trade for US session, and this strategy setup is mainly for US session strategy. So we are expecting to have around daily profit of between 200 to 400 US dollar for a quick profit. And most of the time within 15 minutes. By the way, this is time frame 15 minutes. The sell over is quite strong, pulling the price much more down. So this is a new candle up here. Okay, the price near the 56.00. Okay, we'll wait for the next candle in next 15 minutes. Okay, we see a big turnaround. Now the market looks like going for a reversal. So there's a green candle appeared at this moment. So let's take a look on the volume. Still the highest at 56.40, 56.30. The rest is normal. And on the bottom side, 56.00. This is a common area, so it's not really important. But the most important is 55.90 and 55 somewhere here. I think 80 something. So if this candle still green, the next one could be a good one to trigger our buy stop limit order. So let's wait patiently. We have with this strategy we have around 2 hours. So within these 2 hours there will be one signal appeared every day. Okay, now the market looks volatile. There's a very quick movement for each price level. Still we are about 23 ticks from my target entry at 56.35. Let's see, this is interesting. Now 56.20. If there is more larger volume waiting on the upper side, then there's a high tendency for a quick reversal. Okay, I guess there's 10 minutes more before this candle to be finished, and on the next candle could be will be a trigger for our entry. So let's wait. Okay, traders, we found a second signal. Second signal just appeared, and the signal is a short sell signal at a 56.01. So this explain everything why there is a very large volume waiting at um, somewhere here at 55.80. So at this moment I'm still queuing on both sides. The first signal appeared at 56.35. The second one at 56.01. So we have to wait. Whichever trigger first, the other one should be cancelled. So at this moment, both direction have a signal. but a strong signal for the second one is at 56.01. So this is the highest volume on the downside at 55.80. This is very interesting. So if this price trigger at 56.01, so there's a high tendency for the market to go further below to 55.85, which is our target. So there's a profit estimated around 320 if you are taking two lot position size. So I think I will cancel this 56.35 and 56.45. So I'm expecting for the short sell position based on the second signal which is just appeared just now, and we'll see. This might be a continuation on the selling position, so could be this one is a quick one, maybe within 30 minutes can be finished. So let's wait and see. So we are waiting here at 56.01. So let's wait. Okay, market just triggered. So we can see we on the short sell position at this moment. So two lot position size. So it's very fast. We already 120 US dollar in profit. So let's take a look later. So you can see here. This is the PNL. Okay, it's quite interesting at this moment. We are 140, 120 US dollar in profit. So let's hope we can exit within 10 minutes time. So let's wait. So the activity we are entering at 22:30, 33, which is this is my local time 10:33 p.m. So if you are in New York, it is 10:33 a.m. in the morning. So New York time. So let's wait for the exit of this position. So we at this moment on the short sell position. So let's go take a look. Now the profit is around 140, 180. It's quite interesting. Could be a major sell down. So there's a high volume waiting here at a 55.90. The second one at 55.82. And the third one is 55.76. This is a 473 Q here. So this is very strong demand down there at 55.76. So the market might go further down to this price level, but I will exit at 55.85. Should be enough as my day salary. So now the price profit taking activity, I guess, from the retail trader. So that's why there's a short reversal. So let's wait. We are in a good positive PNL at this moment. 120 US dollar in profit. So hopefully all this can be finished within 10 minutes time. We already 2 minutes, so another 10 more minutes before this. After got another 9 more minutes before the next candle appeared. There's a very large volume been seen at this area. This is where the okay, now we are break even again. 0 0. So we pause first. We'll resume later on. Okay, at this moment we are in the in negative territory. So we are at minus 240 US dollar. You can see it here, and we're still strong selling position at this moment. So there's a high volume waiting at a 55.92. My exit at 55.85. So it could be downwards. There is a more larger volume waiting here, 55.80, 111. This looks quite weird. There's a large spike just now, but still okay for our account. So I have confirmed that 55.80 is the good target price, but I will exit at 55.85. So let's wait and see. So at this moment we are minus 160 US dollar, 140 US dollar. So let's wait patiently. The market's still red. So this is quite interesting. Also more interesting at 55.80, just now 400 plus waiting, now you can see only 122. So let's keep watch this price level of 55.80. Also there's a large volume at 56.30, sorry, 56.03. So we are now break even from our entry, so this market could look very volatile at this moment, so this could be a fast one. So let's wait. Now it's 98. Suddenly market became more volatile, move very fast. So let's take a look on the larger volume waiting on the downside. So there is 55.91, 55.90, 55.85, 55.80. Further down, no more. So could be 55.80 is the final limitation on the sell over. Could be, but for my position, I will exit at 55.85. So now the market reverses back. We are at the minus. Oh, now positive. It's mm, it's very active at this moment. So you can see this is live trading. So this is how it feels. Too fast also will make you more nervous actually. So let's wait patiently until we exit the market. Okay, suddenly the price did hit down, and we have a profit of 340 US dollar. So this one is very fast. I didn't manage to capture it. I was away. I went for to the toilet, but still, this is a profit. So you can see this is where I enter the market, the red small triangle, and this is where I exit the market, the green triangle. So it's just nice that the lowest went to our target area at 55.85. So a quick profit of 340 US dollar. So let's take a look on the time, how long it take us to for this profit. Okay, we did enter the market 3:33, 10:33, and exit at 11:02. So should be around 29 minutes. This was a good one, a good trade. 29 minutes in the market only for a quick profit of 340 US dollar. So I think that's all for US session. So we will not trade. We will not trade. This one should be enough. There's quite a lot for daily salary. Okay guys, please subscribe this channel, this video, like and share, comment if anything you want to ask. There also link in description, might be helpful for you guys. Later on I will include my courses, how I'm sharing my technique, how I trade the US session scalping, so you can watch the video later on. Maybe in September 2019 will be ready for premiere. Okay guys, thank you. That's all for today. Bye bye.